Now, Maryland leaders are also pledging to do everything they can to make sure people are protected from the worst of this government shutdown.
Our Lionel Donovan is live in Germantown with more on Maryland's response. What are we hearing from leaders today, Lionel?
Good afternoon, Leslie. Well, this morning, Maryland Governor Wes Moore called out President Trump for the shutdown, saying that the president abandoned his duties to the states and to the people. Now, as you were saying earlier, the White House has promised more layoffs, but Governor Moore has said that the state will do what it can in order to make sure that those most impacted by this shutdown will be protected as much as possible. The U.S. government is closed, and until it reopens, Maryland Governor Wes Moore says it's all hands on deck.
And we are doing and will continue to do everything in our collective power to keep our people safe and to keep our state moving forward.
Governor Moore gathered with other Maryland leaders in Annapolis to announce plans to counter the worst effects of the shutdown. He says state agencies will set up contingency plans to ensure federal programs like Medicaid and SNAP continue to operate. He also promised federal workers would be protected from eviction, foreclosure, and utility shutoffs. But Moore warns this only addresses the symptoms, not the cause.
But I also want to be clear that there is not a single state in this country that is prepared to fill this enormous gap that is being created by this federal administration.
The government shutdown stems from Congress's standoff over health care spending when it comes to Medicaid and health insurance tax credits. And Maryland Congresswoman April McClain Delaney says the cuts and harm don't stop there.
It's all of these collectively and their joint impact upon all of these different agencies and all of the services and cost load that is triaging to the state budgets and then triaging down to the county and municipal. And so that is the hard part.
Montgomery County Executive Mark Elrich says the shutdown will hit Montgomery County especially hard. The county has one of the highest concentrations of federal workers in the state of Maryland.
The budget is something that hits people in Montgomery County. So we're prepared for more severe effects, but we're going to continue to do everything we can with the state to make sure we minimize them.
Now, when it comes to those health care tax credits that Congress is fighting over, Republicans argue that they're too costly, while Democrats say they're necessary. At this point in time, it's unclear how long this shutdown will go on for. The last time the government shut down was back in President Trump's first term, and it went on for 35 days. But if you or someone you know is in need of assistance, you can head to our website at WUSA9.com for more information on where assistance is available. Live in Germantown, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.
Yeah.